Здравствуйте, товарищ. How do you feel about that? ChatGPT will send your useless, meaningless code to the oblivion. And you, товарищ, will be perished for the sin of using the AI. Or not. Let's talk about it. Hey, Native here, and this is ThinkLab. At the beginning, I would like to underline that I am not much of a commentary person, but recently one situation struck me hard. And I'm noticing that trend more often than I would like to. So, I decided to share a few thoughts with you. Mainly about that all ChatGPT killing software industry FOMO. But not only, it applies, I think, to all AI tech and generally all what can be called new. As long as you didn't land it here by accident or haven't been living under the rock for a few last years, you probably noticed that AI industry is growing exponentially. And I think as many people are excited about it, like me, as many are terrified. You probably saw that memes of ChatGPT cutting the tree branch under its own developer, or army of copilots creating new Windows 14 or something like that. Oh man, this reminds me Luditz, Luditz from 19th century. It was British. I think it was British social movement, which was strongly against the Industrial Revolution, So probably you're getting the notion of the problem we are dealing with, right? But hey, to the point. Lately, I was on the event where have been a lot of C++ programmers, let's say with a lot of more experience than me, and I was able to talk with a lot of them. Of course, ChatGPT is that hot topic, so it was on everyone's lips. So I asked one guy if he even tried it, and he said just no, period. And I was like, man, why? In some simple tasks, you can streamline your work maybe tenfold. That is fully possible. And what I heard just terrified me. He literally said he didn't try it because he was afraid of it. Yes, C++ developer with over 10 years of experience said to me that he was afraid what he will find in mystery box named ChatGPT. My mind was broken at that particular time, and that triggered me at the same time. And my point in this is to really debunk this whole anxiety of AI problem. Not only ChatGPT, because, that's only the part of the problem. I think we are now in some kind of spiral of panic, which is completely irrational for me. Just like Luditz was. And I'll try to explain you why. So, calm, breathe out. Why that guy was even wrong. I'll give you the simple example. Can you imagine? According to WHO and UNICEF, over 300 million, yes, 300 million people in sub-Saharan Africa don't have access to running water sources. Yeah. Imagine how many people are engaged in that water transportation process because of it. And now, imagine some freaking stupid startup started to build pipelines all over sub-Saharan Africa. And oh my gosh, how many people will lose their jobs? Oh, that's terrifying, right? But think again. Our standards of living in sub-Saharan Africa are better than the countries with the water pipelines? Of course not. No. These people just have less time for education and generally enjoying their lives. And trust me or not, with AI we're facing same situation here. Of course we'll need some kind of AI plumbers still, but hey, they won't transport water on their backs anymore. They will manage and fix water transportation issues and routines. And that is big difference, yeah? Because, how many times you can write the code load some files, put them somewhere, then process them in some way, and then God knows what. Maybe put them in some database. Whatever. It is just our modern water transportation issue. We waste time on this. We will just have more time for education, for solving more complex problems, and that is exciting, not terrifying. And some of you will probably tell me that, hey, I don't care about your stupid idealistic mumbo-jumbo, comrade. I just want to write my for loops, like I did it for 10 years. And then so, okay, I have one message for you. Brave the new world, man. Really. And to summarize, what can you do to get rid of AI anxiety? If you can't beat them, join them. Learn the AI technology, adopt it, develop it, and remember, there are few percent of people on this world who pushes our civilization forward. And it is your decision to be amongst them or just be stupid loaded. Okay, beautiful people, so stay tuned for coding videos while I'll try to give you some tips, which ChatGPT may not tell you that right away so easy, as long as you don't know what to ask about. But hey, here I am for you. See you next time. Adios.
That candle smells nice, like Grandpa's even socks after first washing at middle 60s.